My parents are ginger farmers, and seeing them slicing ginger using the manual method has been a really problem for me because as a student I wanted to find a way to solve this problem for them. So during my final year I went to see my supervisor and inform him about this. So he came up with an idea that we can develop an automated ginger slicer which will reduce their drudgery and labor. We came up with 3 designs. We have the wooden slicer, the metallic one, and the plastic and the metallic one. But we chose the metallic and the plastic one. That plastic has a very high strength to density ratio, and aside that, it is resistant to corrosion. And the rest, the metallic one, as you are dealing with food, ginger is a food, so to deal with a metal you have to go with a stainless steel, which is very expensive for us. So that's why we didn't go for that one. And the wooden one too, as time goes on, it will absorb water, which will cause decay, and it won't last long. We did all our fabrication at agriculture and Biosystems engineering workshop. During our research, we found out that the manual slice gingers, their thickness was about, let's say, 7 to 10 millimeters. But our main idea was to also reduce the slice thickness in a way that it can be dried faster. So in doing so, ours was about 1 to 3 millimeters, which was very effective and efficient when drying. Mostly some of them do the traditional way of drying the ginger. They spread them on the sun for it to dry, and there are a lot of disadvantages. The food can be contaminated. We use a biomass dryer. With the biomass dryer, our source of fuel was you can use charcoal, you can use firewood, but then we use firewood. And you have to make sure that the heat doesn't exceed certain range. With our own, it took us about 3 hours to dry 50 kilograms of ginger. But during our research, 50 kilograms of ginger, when sliced manually, can take you about, let's say, a week. Labor is reduced, and drudgery as well, and also time. With the quality of the food, the quality too is there, because you won't find any moisture content in it, and the food too will not be contaminated. The slicer can also be used for other rhizomes and crops as well to increase its market